We're here at ADAC Automotive, guys. You have seen us here before many times, but today we're here for something that I've never been a part of, which is a full, complete ideation process. And what that basically means is that the team at ADAC and myself have talked about how Label and ADAC can work together and create a product that is special for our clients and possibly a bigger group of clients, because we've had a lot of requests of making some products in more volume. Well, with a company like ADAC, I think they're a perfect partner to help. So today we're going to talk about a bunch of ideas. We've got the engineers, executive team, everybody involved. We brought our wide body inside the wash bay today, and everybody's going to spend 2 hours looking at the car. Every engineer at the facility here, walk around it, make notes, and then we're going to get together for a private 1 to 2 hour conversation with where we targeted some really unique opportunities. So let's go inside and get today started.
ADAC is a traditional Tier 1 automotive supplier for vehicle access systems. Over the last 50 years, we've polished and refined a lot of our resources and processes, and now we're offering this as an outside service. Services like additive manufacturing, 3D scanning, and validation for test lab.
We have facilities in multiple places throughout West Michigan. Our headquarters are in Grand Rapids. We have facilities in Saranac, Muskegon, and Holland.
ADAC is known for handles, but we're looking to expand on that and head into the interior and incorporate some new technologies into our products. So on a daily basis, we're trying to think ahead 5+ years into the future, ideally working with OEMs to bring new products to the market.
Something unique about working at a Tier 1 manufacturer is the scale of the automotive industry, where you're making millions of parts a year is just kind of astounding.
It's cool getting the opportunity to work with well-known brands, like Ford. Technologies that we have available, here are pretty incredible.
We've got a lot of capability that is, 50 years in the making. So we've got a great team for CAD Group and CAE and test validation. We're the kind of company that takes a product all the way from design all the way through production. All the necessary steps that happen along the way to make sure that we're creating a product that you can rely on through the tenure of your owning your vehicle. The wide-body Corvette came in here about 1.5 years ago, and we scanned it basically as it was stock. Took it up on a lift over at Label and scanned the underside, got all the mating components, and then continued to kind of wonder what was going on with that. When Andy pulled it in the shop here today, it was quite awesome to see that final product as he polished it.
When I first saw the Corvette, immediately I loved the color of it. I mean, I've just been staring at it, for a couple hours today.
Label Corvette that's here it's pretty incredible. Seeing what Label is doing with an incredible vehicle, it's a whole nother experience.
One of my favorite parts is the interior. I love the Alcantara suede interior. I think it's just beautiful. The materials, the carbon fiber everywhere, and just the quality of the build out. It's pretty inspiring as an industrial designer. I want to take a bunch of photographs, which I did, and just start sketching and just come up with more ideas. I don't think I would have called myself a Corvette guy in the past, but looking at this car today, I want to drive it.
It looks fast. It doesn't have to. You don't have to start the engine. You just know that thing can move. It's all about the experience with the vehicle like that, and I think that's something that Label is doing extremely well. They're capturing and enhancing an experience with an incredible vehicle.
I think Label as a whole does a really good job of maintaining high quality and doing things the right way all the time. Those guys are both very honest and trustworthy guys. We just had a meeting where Andy mentioned that if he says it, it's going to get it done.
I love the experience that Label offers.
It's unique in the industry. He's very straightforward. He has a vision for what he wants to do with Label Motorsports. Immediately, I bought into it.
Andy and Justin there are pretty incredible and just really down-to-earth guys. You know, they work on these luxury vehicles. And they said it's not about the money, it's about the experience. And it's just cool to get an opportunity to work with such humble, talented individuals.
This day has been really special for me because they really valued our feedback, and we've heard a ton of compliments about the wide body. Everybody here has been very complimentary, and it makes us really feel good with what we've created. I had more people in this car today, more people touch it than any place ever before. We've wiped a ton of fingerprints off of it, but everybody was raving about it, and the ideas that we heard about creating unique things, whether it be for this car, future models, or other special projects we have in the works, I'm excited to see what we're going to be able to create here at ADAC, which happens to be just around the corner from us right here in Grand Rapids. So thanks for watching this episode, guys, and stay tuned for some follow-up of what you might see come from this meeting.